today's video, I'm going to be turning this into this. Follow along to see how I did it. So basically, I have these two extra accessories because I kind of got Age of Extinction Prime a while ago from Amazon, except for let's just say he kind of came with no feet, like literally no feet, and he was missing two accessories. So the little scythe thing, sleeve, whatever it's called, and he was missing his little blade. So yeah, because of that, I was like, since y'all gonna give me a figure with like no feet and no accessories, I'm gonna keep the shield and stuff. And that's exactly what I did. Therefore, it's providing me an extra set to paint. So that's what today's gonna be about. Now, for this, I kind of know what I want already. I definitely want to make this metallic. I also want to add like some shadowed effect, like withered effect. That's what I meant. So probably gonna do that. And I don't know what else, so I'm probably gonna figure that out. Now, the paint that I'm going to be using, I have no clue how to pronounce this. A beer, I believe. Metallic acrylic premium black, as well as shimmer silver. I don't really. It's been a minute since I painted anything, so I forgot how these were, like how they look. Especially like after, you know, it dries and everything, but these are the only metallic paints that I have. Now this is an example of both the black and the shimmer, what is it? Shimmer silver. I have this, and I painted Megatron's fusion cannon as well, which I personally think looks pretty good. Now for the final thing that I've really enjoyed painting with this, I actually really love how the colors came off. This is like metallic blue, red / pink, whatever. Got some bronze, silver in there. So I'm really like how this came out. Okay, so basically the stuff that I have, you know, you got your paint brushes. Wait, hold on. Got your paint brushes. Low key, I just kind of kept them there in the water. Then I have this old rag. This is like really helpful for like drying off the, what's it called, the paint brushes, as well as some napkins. And I have this thing to mix the colors up. Now the first thing that I'm noticing with this is that it has a lot of scope detail. So when I do the I keep forgetting what it's called, but pretty much just getting some like black paint, dip it in water, and then just like brush it over and everything to make the details pop. When I do that, that's definitely gonna pop all of these out. Alright, so I already went ahead and disassembled it and everything. The sword is probably going to be the last thing since it's like extremely easy. Honestly, I probably should have done that first since it's so easy, but that's not that important. Now, like I said, this is going to be the first thing I'm going to be applying to it. This is really a trial and error because I don't really know if this is going to work all that great. But if it does, it does. If it doesn't, it's not the end of the world, because I do have the original shield. Go ahead and pour some this in here. Like I said, I don't really know how well this is gonna turn out. I hope it turns out as like what I think, because if not, that will be a little disappointing. But like I said again, not the end of the world. So this will be the first thing that we're going to be on or working on. So yeah. I'm really hoping this actually like gives it the look I was looking for. Okay. Now already I'm starting to see how metallic this is looking. Like it reflecting off the light and everything. And honestly, that look alone is pretty good for me. Okay. Might have put a little too much on that. But it's been a long time since I've actually customized anything. Okay. So this is actually kind of giving the, what's it called? The look that I'm going for. Now that it's like drying up. So yeah, I actually like it. Oh, this is gonna look so good when I add the black wash to it. Whatever it's called. So, let's see. Let's see if we need to do this. Okay, how about it? Okay. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. Let's go ahead and stir this back up. Now already you can already like see, oh, there we go. See the difference? Okay, well it doesn't want to stay no more. But yeah, I really love the metallic of it. Like anything that's reflective, like I genuinely love it. Okay, now let's go ahead and start with this one. I'm starting to think this one's going to be a little bit more silvery. Silvery? I don't know. I just really love the look that it's giving. Not even like done anything really. With like simple stuff like this, it doesn't make sense to me how Hasbro can't do it. Well, I do understand that it, what's it called? That they have their own budgets and stuff with different price points or something, but still, I mean, it just sucks a little bit. I don't even know how much. I'm pretty sure I got like a box of metallic paint for like $20 off Amazon, and it was probably the best paint for $20 that I've gotten, because like I'm loving it. Although I really wish I could make it like spray paint kind of metallic, because when I get there, low key, I will be beyond happy. I'm actually liking it. I feel like I'm gonna like it way more when I add the black wash to it. But like, look at the detail though. And this is how it's coming out so far. Now I'm debating if I should like add the black to it. If not like a whole lot, just probably like, I don't know. Honestly, I really love it like this. Now I am going to add the metallic red here. Detail wise, I'm probably not going to add anything for now, just to like see how I want to do it. So I'll do that next time. And this is the paint that I'm using. I kind of don't like how bright it looks, but I forgot that red kind of tends to look extremely bright at first and then just like completely darkens, or either what does it do? Or either it just looks or gets really bright. I thought I had paint in there for a second. I kind of really did not need that much, but it's okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and get some of this red. I probably should have done the burgundy. I don't know. I'm gonna do a little test run. Because I kind of really don't like how the red looks pink. But this is what the burgundy one looks like. So I'm gonna test that one out. I have not used this one actually. So interesting to see how this turns out. Okay, so opened it. Now let's see how this turns out. I don't think I got the right brush for this though, if I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, I probably don't. But I don't think the burgundy one really appeared much anyway. But like I said, it has to actually set. Okay, so I just low-key decided to just stick with the red. Honestly, I might like it better. Okay, now let's do the same on this side. Oop, I might have had too much. Alright, now we're gonna let them dry. Okay, so now that these are dried, let's go ahead and paint this part. This is a poor example of how you should paint, by the way. Tapping it or dabbing it is not the way to go because it kind of leaves a weird look to it. Okay, so this is what it's coming out as right now. This is all just the first coat, so I'll get back to you guys when I get done. Okay, and now that I've done some coats, I've actually added a little bit of gold here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. It's been quite a minute for me, not y'all. Basically what I did was add the little gold and the red. It's kind of messy, but it'll live. And low-key, it's actually really starting to come together. I actually really like that. Now what I was thinking, either do blue every other one, or either just do blue on the two right here and then have these two free. I don't know. Okay, so this is all I'm gonna end up doing for today. I painted the shield, got some gold, some red, blue, and whatnot. I had painted this. And I painted the sword. The last thing I'm going to do is just the black wash or whatever, and then I'm calling it a day because low-key, I'm tired. Okay, so this is what it originally looked like. Just plain old gray paint versus this. Low-key, the silver doesn't really look that much different, but that's because I'm not done yet. But you can really, there's some difference to it, in my opinion. Well, at least in person it is. But everything just seems a lot better. So, yeah. Okay, last thing. Wait, let me take these out. Last thing I'm going to do now is take this, dip it in here. Oh wait, let me. Okay. Let's do this. And then take a napkin. I'm pretty sure I did this wrong. Okay, I most definitely did this wrong. But I honestly don't think I even need to use the napkin, honestly. Because the water's kind of... Oh, nope. I actually got the paint back there. Okay, so since I actually ended up getting some paint on it, let's go ahead and wipe. Okay, I just want to let you guys know, if your paint is not dried all the way, do not apply a lot of pressure. Or matter of fact, just don't do this process at all until it's dried. Did it really make a difference? I can't really tell that much. So I'm gonna just keep doing that until I get the look. Okay, didn't exactly get what I was looking for, but that's perfectly fine. I got a lot of it done. It's colored. It's no longer plain gray, so it's whatever. And now I got to do the sword. I didn't really get the desired look either for this one, but yeah, that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see more like this. Until next time, peace out.